Hello friends, today I demonstrate you how to set up the dawn and dusk or day-night simulator. The control units in the dawn and dusk simulator, day-night simulator is divided into two parts, the left side controllers and the right side controllers. The left side controllers that consist of setting of RTC, real-time controller, and then the setting the dusk timings and then setting the dawn timings. Whereas in the right side it actually to manipulate the data. To move the cursor from left to right you need to use the scrolls arrows, the L and R, so you can move the cursor among the different values. Basically the right side controllers are actually for the moving the cursor between different lines, between different values as well as between different lines. So if you want to, so now you see that ST and ET I am showing you here. So if you want to move from ST to ET, you have to bring the cursor onto the column and then you have to press scroll down. This is very important. So if you are pressing it somewhere else in the upper values, like the cursor is right now it's blinking at number 3, and if you want to bring it to the top line to enter the data, you need to go onto the semicolon and then you have to press this scroll up. So now I'm showing you how to one set example how to set the dusk time. So we had already set it up here. This ST is for the starting time, ET for ending time. So we did set this here, the dusk time at evening 5 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. So we are just changing the value so that we can reset at the defined time what we usually give the instrument with that settings. However, you can use any settings that you prefer. You have to remember that the dawn and dusk times can be set at the maximum. The operation time for the dusk is 2 hours as well as for the dawn time is 2 hours. Now you see that the values are manipulated. Now it is at the 04. So if you use scroll up button, you can increase the value. So now from 0 to 1 and then from 4 to 7. So we are using the scroll up button here. Pressing scroll up button will change the value. Yes, now we set. So now we have to come down for the enter the different data. Now we are at the column position, and then you have to go the scroll down button and then use the scroll up and down button again from here to actually enter the values, the desired values. So once you press the enter, it should show that the values are passed. If you set everything is right, you see that the quick brief message stating that the values are passed. The load and on and off button I'll show you later. This is actually the once you do all settings satisfactorily, you need to put load. Load is actually the setting of this. You are sending the information from the simulator to the lighting system. So when you put off, actually you are entering the data. When you put on, when you satisfy with all the information that you've been entering here, so you can enter into the load on and off. So these are the backside view of the unit. So you can use both these 5 amps sockets to connect the bulbs. So the maximum the load can be 1000 watts. So you can use 40 watt bulbs like 10 easily. Thank you for watching. Thank you.